Clear heart blockages with garlic and lemon. Cardiovascular diseases affect a great number of people. Today, we have an incredible remedy prepared of the healthiest ingredients ever. Each of the ingredients provides plenty of health benefits, and when combined together, their effectiveness is even more powerful. This natural remedy is extremely beneficial for the arteries and the heart. It can reduce the cholesterol levels and prevent stroke and heart attack. So, check it out. How to prepare. Needed ingredients: 1 cup ACV, 1 cup garlic, 1 cup grated ginger, 1 cup lemon juice. Directions: boil the ingredients for 30 minutes. Let it cool down, then transfer in a jar. Add 3 cups of honey, mix well, and store it in the fridge. You should take 1 tablespoon of this remedy every morning, before your breakfast.